you good or are you bad? Creator wrote on our hearts good and evil. It tells you in the Bible that they ate from the tree of knowledge is good and evil. So we know the difference. We know the difference. Everyone does. Everyone's accountable. Unless your mind is like totally gone, demon infested or something, then you know you got a legal excuse. What cats do? Smokey, enjoying your breakfast? Oh yeah, I got a tongue going. He likes that. Switching chicken to turkey. Because lean ground chicken means they have to burn more calories just to process lean chicken apparently. So this turkey's not lean. Just cook it so there's almost like no grease left in it. That works. Okay. Mr. Lion there. I'm kind of staying in the same spot all night. Keeping that spot warm, I guess. Oh, Tuxie. He's howling as he's trying to go to the bathroom. Ginger pants. Came running down. We need to refill that food bowl, honey. Guess we'll do that. Oh, here's babies. Babies. Hey, babies. Where'd you go all night, babies? Are you mousing? Babies. Are you coming? Gotta get these guys more food. Oh, poor Tux. Scratch a post. Babies. It's sunny, but the birds are around. My buddy came over. Hey, buddy. Oh, poor Tuxie. Let's get you some more food. Come over. Here. Here. Here, bud. There we go. Some more meat there. Sardines in it too.